So in this video, let's see how we can actually go ahead and change out the text frame columns in Affinity. So to go ahead and do that, you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, the text frame tool right here. Let me just go ahead right here and then click and drag out a text frame right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the text menu and then go to insert right here and insert a filler text right here, just like this. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and let's say set a column right here. So once I do that over here in the label, let's just go ahead and select this and change around the column right here, just like this. And around over here, you can see that as I said 3 columns, you can see that the text has been divided into 3 parts right here. You can even go ahead and change around the size of each of the column right here. But if you want to be specific on the column size of each of these text column right here, then what you can actually do is you can go to Window and then you can go to Text and then you can choose Text Frame right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can expand this and over here you can see the individual gutter in between and you can see the width right here as well. So let's just go ahead and increase out the width right here on the left hand side, and that is what you have. You can change around, let's say, the width of the center one as well, and decrease out the width right here of the final, and change around the gutter size right here just like this as well. So you can even balance the text in column right here just like this so that everything is balanced out right here as needed. So I can see the column number. You can change around the column number right here. You can go ahead and let's say for example preserve out the width size as well as you add in the column right here and so forth, and work around with it however you want. You can change around the width right here. You can change around the gutter and even go ahead and type it in right here just like this, and this is what you have. So that is basically how you can go ahead and change out the text frame columns inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.